We see many of our students getting confused when using the words fewer and less. Fewer and less are both used to indicate a smaller quantity, but they are used in different ways. Use fewer when you're referring to countable objects or things that can be quantified individually. Fewer is used to indicate a smaller number of items. For example, there are fewer students in the classroom today. You can count the students individually. I made fewer mistakes in this test compared to the previous one. You can count the mistakes individually. Less, on the other hand, is used when you are referring to uncountable or abstract nouns, things that cannot be counted individually but are measured as a whole. It is used to indicate a smaller amount or degree. For example, I have less sugar in my coffee today. You can't count sugar grains individually. It's a quantity or measurement. I have less patience when I'm tired. You can't quantify patience or any other emotion for that fact. In summary, use fewer when you can count the individual items and use less when you are talking about an uncountable quantity or something that can't be easily counted one by one. Write your own sentences in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.